Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade pickles. We'll cover everything from selecting the best cucumbers to properly sealing your jars for long-term enjoyment. Get ready to transform fresh produce into tangy, crunchy treats that are perfect for any meal or snack. Let's dive into the wonderful world of pickling and create something truly special in your kitchen. To begin, choose firm, blemish-free pickling cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. You'll need pickling salt, white vinegar with 5% acidity, and fresh dill for classic flavor. Essential equipment includes clean canning jars, new lids, and bands. A large pot for the water bath and canning tongs are also crucial for a safe and successful process. First, thoroughly wash your cucumbers and slice them as desired, perhaps into spears or chips. Next, prepare your brine by combining water, vinegar, pickling salt, and your chosen spices like dill seeds or garlic in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil. Carefully pack your prepared cucumbers into the sterilized jars, then pour the hot brine over them, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. After filling, wipe jar rims clean, apply lids, and tighten bands finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time, typically 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your recipe and altitude. Once cooled, check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex. Store your delicious homemade pickles in a cool, dark place, and they will be ready to enjoy for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.